I'm Chris with WW Beds Custom Furniture, and this is a Murphy bed that I just finished up. It's a horizontal version of our Murphy bed, and what we do is we turn the bed sideways instead of the normal vertical orientation. This one we put the barn door face on this. We took the two doors at the top here, made them look like barn doors. We did a light distressing, and then we finished it up in white. Now, one of the unique things about this is the stay level vanity. Now, you've seen the stay level desk where the desk will stay level. You don't have to clear it off as it transitions into the bed. But we did something a little bit different on this. We put some drawers on either end. We also put a lift-up vanity, so you have a place to get ready in the morning. But to operate the bed, you just pull on the handles here. This is very easy, very lightweight to open up. You'll notice the lights will come on automatically. The drawers are still accessed as the bed is being used. The lights are controlled by the 3-stage touch dimmer in the middle here, so you have low, medium, high, and then off again. And then the lights also shut off when it's in the closed position. But when you're done in the morning and you want to get ready for school or work, just lift up the bed, use your vanity, and there you have it. This is the barn door Murphy bed with the stay level vanity from WW Beds Custom Furniture.